क्लास 8 की इंग्लिश चैप्टर 4 की रीडिंग, ठीक है जी। एंड इंटरनेट pre-reading. Look at the pictograph and predict what the lesson is about. Computer is one of the most brilliant gifts of modern science. It is an electronic machine used to solve various problems. This is done by the instructions given to it using various programs called software. The ability of computers to follow generalized sets of operations called programs enables them to perform an extremely wide range of tasks. The first mechanical computer was designed by Charles Babbage, the British mathematician, in the year 1849. That prototype of computers was totally different from modern computers, but its basic structure was quite similar. Babbage attempted to make the first automatic computing engine, but he failed to complete it. Parts of his incomplete machine are on display in the Science Museum of London. The machine he had designed was finally constructed in 1991. Then, in the year 2000, the printer Babbage had designed for the engine was also completed. For the first complete Babbage engine was completed 153 years after it was designed. Modern computers are electronic and digital. They comprise hardware and software. Hardware is any part of the computer that has a physical structure, such as keyboards or mouse, wires, transistors, and circuits, while the instructions and data are called software. In short, software is any set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do and how to do it. Other examples of software include web browsers, games, and word processors. Everything you do on your computer will rely both on your hardware and software. Computer is a very useful machine and can perform a variety of tasks very easily, like typing documents, sending emails, playing games, and browsing the web. It is also a tool to edit or create spreadsheets, presentations, and even videos. Computers have become a part of our everyday lives. For example, desktops or laptops are referred to as personal computers. They come in many shapes, sizes, designs, and colors and perform many functions in our daily lives, at home and in the office. Even when we withdraw cash from ATM or wait at the traffic signal on the road or use a calculator, we are using some form of computer. A desktop computer includes a computer case, monitor, keyboard, power cord, and a mouse. This can only be used with electric power. However, laptop computers are battery-powered computers that are more portable than desktops, allowing you to use them almost anywhere. They are lightweight, smart devices and can be carried anywhere. A recent innovation in computers is the development of handheld computers like the iPads or tablets. These are handier computers that allow greater portability than laptops. Instead of a keyboard or mouse, tablets use a touch-sensitive screen for typing and navigation, making them by far the most sophisticated form of computers. However, it does not perform all functions that a desktop or laptop can perform. For example, it has no port to insert a USB or a writer that can play DVD or CD. Than की बजाय that है, ठीक है? That. The smartphones that we generally use are also a type of computer. They can also do things like browsing the internet, sending emails, and playing games. The latest form of television is also called smart TV, which has applications that let you access access various types of online content. For example, you can stream videos from internet directly onto your TV. Many computers are connected to the internet these days. Internet is a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities. We can sit at home and be connected to the whole world by virtue of the internet. You can perform many functions through internet sitting at home, which were initially performed manually. It is a convenient way of making payments online for your utility bills and several other tasks. Internet has also opened doors for social networking around the world. Through various search engines, you can browse websites of your interest for information and education. You can communicate with your friends and family across the globe. However, it is important to understand that internet should be used responsibly, as we may encounter websites that spread negative and inappropriate messages, and information may be harmful to us and our dear ones. Such websites should be avoided at all costs. Computers and internet have made access to information, knowledge, and entertainment entertainment so much easy, which was unimaginable in previous generations. Hence, internet is a very useful tool if used with care, with responsibility. With care and with responsibility. Chalo.